Hi, everybody. I've been getting some inquiries from students and even parents with questions about how to access your WTHS email. So I figured I'd make a quick tutorial on how to do that. That is definitely something that at the very beginning of the school year, I do go over in all my classes because I think kids should just know how to do it. But now more than ever, students definitely need to know how to do this. So some of my students didn't have me first semester, or maybe they moved in. So I figured I would put this together and feel free to share. So the easiest way is if you start on the WTHS website. And from there, obviously, there's lots of information every morning. If you're looking for that attendance link for e-learning, it's always posted as a pop-up. Right here on the main screen, there's an icon for webmail. And if you click on that, it takes you to the login page. Now, the students should know what their student email address is, and it's the same that they use to log in to Canvas and Google Drive and all of those. So you just type it in um, and you follow the prompts and then you enter your password. Now, the first time that students do this, it's going to actually ask them for some other items, how they want things to be displayed. It'll ask for the time zone. There's a couple different prompts that it takes them through. But once they do that, it brings them right into their email account splash page. And so from here, where some kids get confused, they don't know what to do, you just click on Outlook, and when you do that, that just takes you right to your email where you then have everything that you need and you can go ahead and send messages to your teachers. You can check those every morning and see where you're at and what you need to do for all of your schoolwork. Now, back to the WTHS homepage, a couple of other links that are really helpful as long as we're there. If students need technology help, there's actually a little support section here that they can click on and students can submit a ticket. If they're having problems with their Chromebook, that's probably the place to go. I wish I could help with those issues. I've had a few inquiries, but that's definitely the best place to go. Some of the other icons on here, you've got the Canvas link is up here as well, Power School for grades, and then obviously all the other usual stuff. But now more than ever, just knowing how and where to find things can be a little bit overwhelming, a little bit confusing. So I get it. I'm a parent too, and we'll get through it together. Had a lot of great conversations with kids today on the Google chat, so please encourage them to do the same. And I'll be sending out that daily email with what we're doing for our e-learning. Have a great day, everybody.